feels like a wind tunnel as I put my head in front of this thing. I'm feeling the breeze perfect, even right here. Quick review here of my favorite new fan. This is the Vornado. Thing absolutely rocks. It's got a metal encase with plastic covering here. What I love about this, the airflow is very targeted. So like I can walk probably 15 feet away and you still feel the flow. Like you get a normal box fan, it like stops after like 5 feet. This thing like directs it almost like a jet, and really like it. I'll turn it on here, just give you an idea. Very cool button design. It's not like a rotary knob, so you just push it on. That's the highest setting. I'll go the lowest. So there's the lowest, kind of normal fan. Medium, gets stronger, a little bit stronger. And then you hear it just really kicks on. I'll walk over here and show you, kind of put my head in front of it, show you the blast you get. I mean, it just rips. You see my hair kind of crazy already. If you're looking for like a window fan, need a cool room, this thing's absolutely awesome. Good noise. It's like a mix between like industrial heavy duty and a house box fan, which I love all things fans, sleep with them, have a hot house, love cooling it down. I'll walk over here to show you, I still feel the flow totally like right on me. Like I get right here, I'm about 20 feet away and it feels like the perfect amount of flow. So overall, highly recommend if you're looking for a new box fan.